All right, we've got some equations to solve from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. For sine x cos x, well, sine x cos x, that really makes me think of 2 sine x cos x, and there's 2 of those, so I'm seeing 2 sine x cos x minus root 3. I'm going to move that root 3 to the other side straight away. 2 sine x cos x, that's the same as sine 2x. Divide by the 2 on the other side. I know that sine of an angle, so sine of theta is root 3 over 2. That's the tall angle. So up tall, that's pi over 3 or 2 pi over 3. Or if I'm going the negative direction, so I've got 2x is going to be pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. Going the negative direction, I've got 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. Sorry, going the negative direction. I've got both of those. I'm going to keep going around the circle because I know I'm dividing by 2. So I'm going to add 2 pi to all of those because later, actually, if we think about this, sine 2x has a period of pi. So we can find our answers and then just add pi or subtract pi is another way. So let's do that. Pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, negative 4 pi over 6, negative 5 pi over 6. And then I'm going to add and subtract full periods to each of those. So plus minus pi. So pi over 6 plus pi is 7 pi over 6. So let's list all of our answers. So we've got pi over 6, 7 pi over 6. This is pi over 3. If we add a pi, we get 4 pi over 3. What happened to my 7 pi over 6? This one, negative 2 pi over 3. When we add pi, we'll get negative 5 pi over 3. Negative 5 pi over 6, add pi, and we'll get pi over 6, which is a repeat, so I don't need to write that. And now I need to take all of these and subtract a pi. Pi over 6 minus pi is negative 5 pi over 3. Pi over 3 minus pi is negative 2 pi over 3. Negative 2 pi over 3 minus pi, negative 5 pi over 3. So I think I've got all of my answers in both ways. So let's just think about sine 2x and how many answers I should have from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. So sine 2x, because I feel like maybe I'm missing one. So sine 2x, and we're going to go, so one full period is going to be pi. That is not at all symmetric. There's pi. There's 2 pi. Boy, this is a terrible graph. Negative pi, negative 2 pi. And if I'm thinking of wanting that to equal root 3 over 2, that's up here somewhere. So I should end up with 8 answers. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am missing one. So we've got pi over 6. And then my next one is going to be pi over 3. So then pi over 6 plus a period is going to be 7 pi over 6. Pi over 3 plus a period. Okay. On this side, I'm going to have my pi over 6 minus a period is negative 5 pi over 6. Pi over 3 minus a period, negative 2 pi over 3, so that's there. And now negative 5 pi over, negative 5 pi over 6 minus a period is negative 11 pi over 6. So that's the one I'm missing is there. So negative 11 pi over 6. All right, sorry, I didn't mean for that example to take so long, but it goes back to checking your answers.